The two biggest enemies of your hearing aid are moisture and earwax. What I have here is a hearing aid desiccant, or what we call a dry aid kit. In it, it has silica crystals which will absorb moisture. And what we recommend is every night after you remove the hearing aid from your ear, remove the battery, keep the battery door open, and then place the hearing aid on top of the foam inside of the desiccant. Close the lid, leave it there overnight. Okay, so in the morning, remove the hearing aid from the desiccant, and it's at that point that I recommend cleaning the wax from the hearing aid. So the first thing that you should do is just wipe the surface of the hearing aid with a tissue. That will remove any wax that has adhered to the surface of the hearing aid. When you first remove the hearing aid from your ear, the hearing aid is probably warm and the wax is softer, so it makes it more difficult to remove. If you leave it until the morning, the wax tends to be drier and it's much easier to remove from the hearing aid. The next step is to clear any wax from the speaker and the vent of the hearing aid. You will have been given a tool, which will, generally you'll have a brush and what we call a wax loop. The wax loop, be very careful when you're cleaning the speaker of the hearing aid that you don't insert the loop too far because that will damage the speaker. So just very superficially look to see if there's any visible wax in the speaker, and if there is, just flick it away with the wax loop. You can also use the brush. Hold the hearing aid, speaker is facing down, and just brush the surface of the hearing aid.